everyone, this is Sonali Sharma. Today I'll be discussing about wireless sensor network and its application. Let us first understand what is sensor and sensor node in wireless sensor network. Um, we live in a world of sensor. You can find different type of sensor in home, offices, working to make our life easier. By turning on light, by detecting our presence, by adjusting the room temperature, um, detection of smoke and fire, make his coffee, etc. etc. So there are numerous definitions as to what a sensor is, but I would like to define a sensor as it is an electronic device that measures a physical quantity and converts it into a signal which can be read by an observer or by an instrument. Let's see what is a sensor node. A sensor node is a basic unit in sensor network. A basic unit means it is a node, like it is a sensor node where the input is given and that node detects or senses whatever the input is there. Input can be humidity, temperature, heat, turbidity, etc. etc. Let's see what is wireless sensor network. A wireless sensor network is a collection of nodes, that is sensors, organized into a cooperative network. The nodes communicate wirelessly and often self-organize after being deployed. As you can see in the diagram that there is a sensor field. Nodes are deployed, that nodes sensed input, and input can be heat or anything. It senses and passes that input signal to the base station, and the base station then transmit that signal to the computer to process the output. This is the general work process of wireless sensor network. First, the nodes are deployed and then it is organized into the network. Then that node senses and monitored, and the data collected and sent it to the base station to process the output data. Let us understand what is the goal of a sensor node. The goal from the sensor node is to collect the data at regular intervals, then transform the data into an electrical signal, and finally send the signal to the sink or the base node. Now let me explain you about what are the different type of application of wireless sensor network. There are various type of application: forest fire detection, air pollution monitoring, water quality monitoring, landslide detection, automotive application, military application. Let us understand it one by one. Okay, so what is the use of wireless sensor network in forest fire detection? Basically, the detection of fire in forest is done through this network. A network of sensor nodes can be installed in a forest to detect when a fire has started. The nodes can be equipped with sensors to measure temperature, humidity, and gases which are produced by fire in the trees or vegetation. If the node detects fire, it sends an alarm message to the base station. This is how forest fire detection works. Second is air pollution monitoring. In air pollution monitoring, the polluted air is detected. So the concentration of polluted air or the different dangerous gases present in the environment is detected. Traditional air quality monitoring methods such as building air quality monitoring stations are typically expensive. The solution to these is air quality monitoring system based on the technology of wireless sensor network. Wireless sensor networks have been deployed in several cities to monitor the concentration of dangerous gases for citizens. Next application is water quality monitoring. In this, the quality of water is monitored, as the name suggests. Water quality monitoring involves analyzing water property in dams, rivers, lakes, oceans, as well as the underground water reserves. And the parameters considered include the temperature, turbidity, and the pH level of water. Next is landslide detection. Basically, in landslide detection, the movement of soil and the changes in various parameters is detected. So, a landslide detection system makes use of wireless sensor network to detect the slight movement of soil and the changes in various parameters that may occur before or during a landslide. Through the data gathered, it may be possible to know the occurrence of landslides long before it actually happens. Military surveillance. There are a wide variety of application of sensor network in this area. Enemy tracking, battlefield surveillance. Like for example, in a surgical strike, the drones are sent to detect the enemy or the terrorist. So in a terrorist attack, nuclear, biological, and chemical attack detection, monitoring and tracking and surveillance of borders. Next is eruption. Earthquake or eruption occurs, the volcano eruption. In that, nodes detect seismic event. The seismic waves under the volcano or under the land produces seismic event, and that event is detected by the node, and each node sends event report to the base station, and when the report is sent, the data is gathered, data is collected and analyzed, and then it can be detected that a volcano will occur, like earthquake will occur or not. Okay, so what is the future scope of wireless sensor network? So we can use in vehicle, like it can be used in vehicle. They receive they can receive the live information from the road authority about the state of roads, including traffic jams, accident, and weather. The car transmit information to the road authority regarding speed, distance travel, use of windshield wiper. So for the future scope, if you want to see like heavy rain can occur in the distance of 2 kilometers or not, so this network system will be very helpful for that. So this is just one example where we can see the scope of this technology in future. Okay, so I like to conclude my this PPT is by saying like wireless sensor network are a widely applicable major emerging technology, and wireless sensor network are getting smaller and faster, increasing their potential application in commercial, industrial, and residential environments. However, the limit of application depends only upon the sensor used and the interpretation of the data obtained. Thank you so much.